Wake up. Most men don't fail in a dramatic way. They don't crash. They don't lose everything overnight. They fade. And the worst part is, they mistake that fading for maturity. They think becoming quieter means becoming wiser. They think avoiding tension means becoming intelligent. They think lowering their expectations means becoming realistic. But nothing powerful is being built. There is a clear division among men, and most never realize which side they're slowly sliding into. Some men are respected without effort, desired without chasing, followed without explaining. Others are tolerated, listened to politely, then forgotten the moment they stop speaking. This is not luck. It's not genetics. It's not money. It's placement. And once your placement drops, everything else follows. Number 1. Men with presence don't ask the room for permission to exist. They don't enter softly. They don't test the atmosphere. They don't scan faces to see if they're allowed to speak freely. They stand first. They speak second. Men without presence do the opposite. They enter already adjusting. Their posture negotiates. Their tone seeks approval. Their words arrive pre-softened. And the moment a man adjusts himself to be accepted, the hierarchy is set. People don't consciously decide to disrespect him. They simply stop feeling him. Respect doesn't come from effort. It comes from stability, and instability is always felt. Number 2, men with presence don't rush to be understood. They let silence exist. They let tension sit. They let eye contact do the work. Men without presence panic in the gap. They explain before anyone asks. They add context nobody requested. They justify decisions that didn't need justification. Every explanation drains weight. Not because explanations are wrong, but because power never needs to defend itself. The moment you feel the need to be fully understood, you've already stepped down a level. Authority doesn't argue for space. It occupies it. And when a man stops talking, the room should not relax. It should wait. Number 3, strong men tolerate tension. They don't dissolve it. They don't neutralize it. They don't rush to smooth everything out to look calm or mature. Men who lose presence remove friction from their lives and call it wisdom. They avoid conflict. They avoid pressure. They avoid uncomfortable conversations. They mistake peace for strength. But tension is not the enemy. Tension is the signal. No tension means no resistance. No resistance means no force being tested. And what is never tested is never trusted. Number 4, energy doesn't disappear. It thins. It leaks in places most men don't notice. You stop finishing what you start. You stop pushing when effort is required. You stop making decisions that cost something. You still function. You still move. You still work. But your actions get lighter. Your standards get quieter. Your days pass faster. Nothing pulls on you anymore, and you start calling that peace. It's not peace. It's erosion. Number 5, comfort disguises itself as maturity. It tells you not to care so much, not to be intense, not to push too hard. It teaches you to round your edges so life stops challenging you. And, slowly, you become easier to be around. But easier is not stronger. Men who are followed don't bend to stay comfortable. They stay firm and let discomfort exist. They understand something most men learn. Too late. Comfort doesn't protect you. It weakens you quietly. Number 6, other people feel the loss before you do. Men stop testing you because there's nothing solid to test. They don't challenge you. They don't oppose you. They simply stop involving you. Women don't respond to words. They respond to presence. They feel tension or they feel absence. A man can say everything right and still be invisible because his energy is asking, because his posture is adjusting, because he no longer holds reality in place. Society doesn't punish him. It adjusts the distance. Number 7, men are not respected for what they try to become. They are respected for what they refuse to tolerate. Presence is not built by trying harder. It is revealed when dilution stops. The moment you stop negotiating your standards, people feel it. The moment you stop explaining yourself, silence gains weight again. If you need people to believe you are solid, you're not. Solidity is never performed. It is felt, and once it's gone, no amount of talking brings it back. Nothing dramatic changes when presence returns. No applause, no announcement. People just start listening again, waiting again, feeling you again. Presence is what remains when a man stops shrinking himself to be accepted. And that moment cannot be faked.